Hello, fellow model railroaders. This is Grandpa Rails from the WKJ and GP Railroad, wishing you a Merry Christmas. No presents under the tree yet. Just got the train under there a little bit ago. Got some Hershey's Kisses loaded up in there. It's a Conrail SW1500 switcher that I picked up in Portland while I was visiting my daughter up there. We went to Whistle Stop train store, and I kept walking by it, and just as we were getting ready to leave, I just decided, all right, I gotta have it. So here it is, running underneath the Christmas tree, and I'll eventually put a decoder in it, and I'll have it on the main layout. Again, Merry Christmas.